Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. How are you? Yes, you have to say, I am fine, thank you. Hannah, I hope you all are doing good. Now, come on, let's start our class. So, we'll start our class with welcome song. Everyone, I'm looking at you. You all have to do. Yeah, now you are grown up now. Why I have to tell everyone, okay, now come on, do with ma'am, do along with ma'am. Why? Chalo, let's start everyone. I'm looking at you everyone. Okay. Let's start everyone. And do not lean on the table. You should sit straight. Yes. And where are the uniforms everyone? Yes. So let's start the class with welcome song. Very good. Very nice. In this way only you all have to sit. Well done. All right. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Now we'll sing God's love together. All right, let's start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. All right. Now, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So, today the date is 30 July 2021. What is the date today? 30th July 2021. Okay, and as I told you in the previous class as well, that July month is going on. Which month is going on? July. Okay, so July is about to finish. Today is 30, कल 31 है, then उसके बाद July finish हो जाएगा. All right, and the day is Friday. What is the day today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Okay? Chalo. Now you tell me how many days are there in a week. एक week में कितने days होते हैं? How many days are there in a week? Yes, tell me fast. Very good, Bhavika. There are 7 days. Good, everyone. There are 7 days in a week. So let's say it together. Monday. Come on, come on, come on. Say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. All right. Now, kids, tell me how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में एक साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? There are 12 months. No, we can't count on the fingers. हमारे पास सिर्फ 10 fingers हैं, but there are 12 months in a year. है ना? So let's say it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last month is December. Yes, all right. Okay. Now, kids, those who are not wearing the uniform now, I'm telling you one more time, kindly wear the uniform and sit in the class. Kindly wear the uniform and sit in the class. Okay? Chalo. Now, let's start our class. So, first of all, come on, get your English copy. Come on, get your English copy. And what we are supposed to write before start writing? The work, the date. Okay? Before starting your work, you should write the date first. Okay? The date is 30th, 37, 2021. Why we have written 7 here? Because July is the 7th month. July is the 7th month of a year. So we have written 7 here instead of July. Okay? Now again, I am telling you, sit properly, everyone. Sit properly. Yes. Yes, if you have any genuine reason for not wearing the uniform, that is a different thing. Okay? Chalo. Now let's start the class. So come on, get your English copy and write down the date first. Come on. So what we are doing in English? These and those. These and those. These and those. So today we are going to write down the question answers of these and those. So ma'am had told you, okay, when we are talking about something which is more than one, जब हम कुछ ऐसी चीज के लिए ऐसे एनिमल्स पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे हों जो एक से ज्यादा हों, they are more than one, then at that time we have to use these and those. Okay? So when the thing, the person, the object is near to us, जब कोई चीज हमारे पास है, so for that we use these. And when something is far away from us, जब कोई चीज, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर है, then we use those. Okay? All right. So today we are going to write the question answers of these and those. Write down. question answers. Okay, you have to write down the heading, question answer. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Mothers, as you all got the PDF one day prior, so kindly make the child write the heading. All right, kindly make them write the heading one day prior only, before the class. Okay? Vihan, how to sit in the class? Vihan, how to sit in the class? Sit properly. Vihan. So today we are going to write the question answers of these and those. So write down the heading. Write down. Without writing heading, do not start writing. Okay? Chalo, let's start. The first question is, come on. First of all, you have to read the question along with ma'am. Then start writing. Read. W-H-A-T. What? What? A-R-E-R. What are these? T-H-E-S-E. These. What are these? What are these? So, what are these? So, in the same way, you have to write the answer, that in the manner we have written in this and that. Okay. So, we have to start from here. These are, what are these? These are balloons. These are B-A-L-L-O-N-S, balloons. These are balloons. These are balloons. What are these? So we have to start from here. These are balloons. All right. Then, as you all know, after writing one question and answer, you have to leave one line. Make a cross there. That means we do not have to write anything in that line. All right. What are these? These are balloons. Okay. So now the next one. Question 2. Start. What WHAT? What are ARER THOSE? Those. What are those? So, what are those? Those are birds. Those are birds. And they are far away. That's why we had used those. What are those? Then answer. Those are, we have to start from here. Those are, what are those? Birds. 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 Those are birds. What are those? Those are birds. Those are birds. Read and write. These we use for the near things, and those we use for the far away things or objects or person, anything. Those are birds. 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 Then again, beta, after writing the question answer, second one, you all have to leave one line. Okay, as I do not have space here, so I am erasing the first one. Question 3. Written, shall we move further? What are those? Those are birds. When you are writing the sentences, just figure out everything, where the blends come, the digraph, A or an, which we had learned in our previous class. Just figure out that in each sentences. Now question 3. WHAT. What? ARER and THESE. These. What are these? What are these? What are these? So what are these? These are caps. These are caps. So from where we have to start? From here. These. So these are caps. These are CAPS. Caps. These are caps. What are these? So from where we have to start? From here. These are caps. CAPS, caps. Kindly read it and then write it. आपकी मम्मा को नहीं बोलना पड़े आपको. Okay, you are grown up now. Why we have to tell you again and again that you should read it first and then you have to write it? So read it and write it. Okay. So these 3 question answers you all have to write. Okay. Now it's time for checking the start.
The monkey climb up the coconut tree. Down came a coconut and hit him on his knee. Ow! Out came a lion, taking his mighty mane. The itty monkey climb up the coconut tree again.
Very good, very nice. Well done. Very, very good, Anev. All right, kids.